Creative Mark's jumbo rice paper stomps are going to be one of the largest tools in your arsenal for your pastels. To give you an example, I have a more of a traditional size tortillion blending stomp next to the jumbo rice paper stomp. Now what this is very tightly woven rice paper. Rice paper is that kind of paper you use for things like sumi. And it makes for an extremely soft tip here. If you were to compare the two, you can really tell the difference because of the paper. And because it's woven together so tightly, it gives you that flat gradation. So let me just show you what it can do. I've got a semi-hard pastel and some soft pastels here. These will work with any dry media, charcoal, Conte crayons, graphite, the whole nine. So we've got some blue here. I'm just going to lay down some color. Now, it's not really about the pastels, it's about the stomp. So, I could show you blending, but just to keep things short and sweet, look at that. Look at how nicely, in such a large area, that will blend out. And also notice that I'm getting a really nice kind of precision edge. And don't let the rice paper fool you. It feels pretty sturdy in the hand. It really does. Moving on to the semi-hard pastels here. Put down some of that color. Any dry media at all works great. Now, one of my absolute favorite features about this in particular, now you could do this with any blending stump, but because it's designed with the rice paper, it works really well, is you can see here I've kind of made a little bit of a flag, I guess, but you can clean your rice paper stump with sandpaper. And actually all this is a little piece of sanded pastel paper, and it will also make sure to keep that point. So you just rub it against some sandpaper, and it will clean off that color, because sometimes that color can spread if you've worked with tortillions or stomps before. And it will also keep that really nice sharp point at the top. So that's the Creative Mark Jumbo Rice Paper Stomps. Really nice, inexpensive tool, and it will be the largest blending tool you probably have for your pastels.